Here's a question for you. What does it take to make a great first impression? Is it a smile? Maybe it's a witty remark or a flashy outfit. Either way, the thing about first impressions is that it stands out.
Standing out can be difficult, especially if you're trying to launch yourself into a new career. But opportunities don't always come in such an abundant number like they do at the Draper Media Job Fair. Stephanie McVeigh is the event director for Draper Media. She is here to tell us all about the job fair. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, this isn't the first time we've talked to you.
No.
This isn't a brand new event.
No.
How long has this been going on?
This is our sixth year.
One, really?
Wow,
Yes.
wow.
And it's grown every year. We have a lot of the same people that come back, but then we always have new ones also. So it's a great event.
Obviously, it works. So tell us about some of the businesses that are going to be there.
Well, we have just about every category, anything that you're looking for: healthcare, home services, armed services, and police, a little bit of everything. We started doing this at this time of the year because it's also good for seasonal workers. So there will be a lot of seasonal there. There will be full-time, part-time, all of the above.
Okay, you're talking to somebody who is looking for a new job, maybe a new career, maybe leaving a previous one, maybe the first time. What would you tell them?
Yes, well, first of all, we always ask, please dress for success.
Right.
And it doesn't mean you have to be in a suit and tie, but you want to look successful and bring lots of resumes, because there are going to be so many people to talk to. You want to have that and be ready to roll. And then just keep an open mind and go around and talk and meet people. That's what it's all about. It's getting face time with somebody that can actually hire you.
And isn't it, sometimes it's almost like they do the interview right then and there.
Sometimes, absolutely. They'll have, a lot of people will have tablets, and you can just apply there, or just, you can give them your resume and you're good to go. And then they'll follow up with you afterwards. But you can have a really good conversation and find out if it's a possibility for you. Why
is this such a good opportunity for change?
Well, life changes, and there are so many, even older people that want to go back to work. They retired and they want to get back into something. So a seasonal or a part-time is great.
Right.
Or somebody just transitioning out of high school that is looking for their first job. So all of it will be there.
And you kind of touched on it. First impressions are always good, important at events like this.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's different, when you're applying online. It is. There's no face. There's no communication. So this is a way to actually talk to a human being, and then that's the biggest first step.
And don't stop at one. Travel the circuit.
Absolutely.
Go talk to everybody.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. All right, give us the wheres and the wins.
It is February 24th,
This Saturday.
Saturday, 10 to 2, at the Georgetown campus of Deltech.
Of Deltech.
Gotcha.
All right.
Perfect.
Stephanie,
Thank
thanks
you
for
so
coming
much.
in. Yeah. That'll be another successful one, I'm sure.